If you're interested or looking for a gaming smartphone, here's something that might pique your interest. Asus Malaysia will be launching their brand new gaming smartphone series called the Asus ROG Phone 5S this week. Also, if you're looking for a laptop but you don't want to spend so much, Honor Malaysia is offering a bunch of MagicBook laptops for an affordable price during the 10/10 online sale. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Asus Malaysia will be launching their brand new gaming smartphone series called the Asus ROG Phone 5S this coming Friday, which is on the 8th of October 2021. This is their latest gaming smartphone that's powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus processor. If you want to catch them live, you can actually tune in to their live stream event, which is happening on the 8th of October 2021 at 9 PM on their official Facebook page. So far, there's no pricing and availability details of these devices yet, but we assume that pre-orders will start this coming Sunday, which is on the 10/10. In terms of its specs, the ROG Phone 5S is basically a refreshed version of the ROG Phone 5 that was launched 6 months ago. It comes with a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display that comes with a 144Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, it runs on a Snapdragon 888 Plus processor instead of a Snapdragon 888 processor. This time, the base model can be equipped with 18 gigs of RAM and up to 512 gigs of storage. The ROG Phone 5S Pro may sound like a higher spec model, but it has an identical hardware as the regular 5S. It also gets the same 6.78-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 144Hz refresh rate, a triple camera setup, and a large 6000 mAh battery. It is also powered by the same Snapdragon 888 Plus with up to 18 gigs of RAM. The biggest difference is on the rear of the ROG Phone 5S Pro. Instead of the dot matrix RGB logo, the Pro model gets a ROG Vision, which is a small screen that can display various animations that can be customized for different notifications. In addition to the air trigger, shoulder buttons, and motion controls, the 5S Pro also gets hidden rear touch sensors that work as L2, R2 trigger functions for your game. Honor Malaysia is having a special promotion for its MagicBook laptops during the 10/10 online sale. So that is why if you're looking for an affordable laptop for less than 3,000 ringgit, there's actually a bunch of selection for you to choose from, and that also includes the brand new MagicBook 15 that's powered by AMD Ryzen 5 5500U. The MagicBook Festival is happening this coming Sunday, which is on the 10th of October at the Honor online store, Shopee, Lazada, Singheng, and Honor Experience stores throughout Malaysia. So first up, there's the Honor MagicBook 15. This device that comes with an AMD Ryzen 5 5500U will be going for 2,499 ringgit. Meanwhile, the Honor MagicBook 14 that comes with 256 gigs of storage is priced at 2,699 ringgit. And also, if you need more storage, there's also the 512 gig version, and it is going for 2,999 ringgit. The Honor MagicBook 15, on the other hand, that comes with an Intel Core i5 processor, is priced at 3,499 ringgit. There's also the MagicBook X15, which you can get it from 2,299 ringgit, or you can actually opt for the MagicBook Pro, which will cost you 3,299 ringgit. Nothing, the company which has recently introduced the Ear One transparent wireless earbuds, has officially launched an online store here in Malaysia on Shopee. Malaysia will be the first country in Southeast Asia to get the Nothing Ear One, and the local release is happening soon. At the moment, Nothing has yet to release the pricing and availability for its Ear One headphones for the Malaysian market. In the US, it is priced at $99, which is around 430 ringgit, which is more affordable than a pair of AirPods. The Ear One stands out for having a transparent design and features active noise cancellation. It comes in a semi-transparent case that supports both USB-C wired and Qi wireless charging. On a full charge, it can push up to 4 hours of playback with ANC on or 5.7 hours with ANC turned off. With the charging case, you can get up to 34 hours of playback with ANC turned off. Last but not least, we are going to talk about an affordable smartphone from Samsung, because Samsung has recently launched the Galaxy M22 here in Malaysia. And essentially, this is actually a rehashed version of the Samsung Galaxy M22 4G. The Samsung Galaxy M22 is officially priced at 899 ringgit here in Malaysia. In conjunction with the upcoming 10/10 sale, you can get it for only 779 ringgit from now until the 10th of October. This discounted price is available exclusively through Shopee Mall on the official Samsung Malaysia official store. In terms of hardware, the Samsung Galaxy M22 comes with a 6.4-inch HD Plus Super AMOLED display that pushes a 90Hz refresh rate. Besides that, it also comes with a MediaTek Helio G80 processor that comes with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. And also, it comes with a quad camera setup and also a 5000 mAh battery that supports 25-watt fast charging. Alright, so that's it from me today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like our video if you liked it and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and also click on the notification bell icon so you won't miss any of our future videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!